Is the POS Aviva Dhan Suraksha plan a smart and reliable solution to ensure peace of mind for you and your loved ones? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a non-linked, non-participating life insurance policy with a savings component. And some of the key features of this policy are: this policy has a term of 11 years with premiums payable for 10 years, and the benefits are distributed in 5 installments over time. There is a guaranteed terminal benefit included with the final payout. Tax benefits are also available under Section 80C and 1010D of the Income Tax Act. So these are the key features of this policy. Now let us take a look at the benefits available under this plan. So one is the maturity benefit, which is something the policyholder will get once the policy matures, provided the policy is still in force and all the due premiums have been paid. So the maturity sum assured shall be paid in the following manner, like 5 regular annual payout of 1.5 times 1 annual premium shall be paid at the end of each year during the payout period of 5 years starting from the maturity date. And next, a lump sum amount of 7 times 1 annual premium shall be paid along with the 5th installment. In addition, an age-related guaranteed terminal benefit will also be payable along with the last payout. So this is the maturity benefit. Next is the death benefit, which the nominee or legal heir will get in case the policyholder unfortunately passes away during the policy term. So the death benefit will be paid in the following manner. First will be 5 regular annual installment of 1.5 times 1 annual premium. So the first installment would be paid at the time of death, and the remaining 4 annual installments shall be paid on each of the subsequent death anniversary. Then a lump sum amount of 7 times 1 annual premium shall be paid along with the 5th annual installment. And in addition to the death sum assured, an age-related guaranteed terminal benefit will also be payable along with the last payout. So these are the benefits available under this policy. Now let us take a look at the advantage and disadvantage of investing in this policy. So the advantages are: all the benefits under this policy are guaranteed and benefits are provided in installments. So the disadvantages are: this policy's policy term and premium payment term cannot be customized, and this plan does not offer you a loan facility. While the benefits are guaranteed, the returns are relatively low. The maximum sum assured under this plan is 9.93 lakhs, which may be insufficient to inadequately protect a family in case of financial uncertainties. So these are some of the drawbacks you need to keep in mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us now evaluate the potential returns from this policy to determine whether investing in this for a long time would be sustainable or not. So that's why we are going to analyze the internal rate of return (IRR) for this policy and then compare it with other investment options through a comparative analysis for making a better informed decision. Because by analyzing the IRR, we will get a better idea of what will be the end of the day the returns we will have in a hand. So for example, let us assume for calculating IRR, a 35-year-old male opts for this policy with a sum assured of 9.86 lakhs. So the policy term is 11 years and the premium payment term is 10 years with an annualized premium of 68,000. So the payout includes 4 installment of 1.02 lakhs each, which is 1.5 times the annualized premium, and a final installment of 5.91 lakhs including the terminal benefit. So the IRR for this cash flow works out to be 4.09% as per the policy's maturity calculator. Example here we have taken is from the policy brochure. We have analyzed the IRR for this cash flow. So despite this IRR, you can see the benefits received in this plan are insufficient to cover significant expenses. Additionally, the annual payout reduces the overall return. So in conclusion, the sum assured and benefits from this policy are not optimal for individual investors seeking substantial returns of financial protection. That's why now we are going to explore other alternative investment opportunities using alternative investment approach. Like instead of investing in an insurance cum investment policy like this, we are going to invest in insurance and investment components separately. So let us assume that for life cover purpose, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy with a 10 lakh sum assured, which cost only 8,200 rupees annually. So this compared to the premium we paid for the POS policy leaves us with 59,800 rupees from the original annual premium for investment. So unlike the POS policy where premiums are paid for 10 years, this term plan requires premium payment for only 5 years, freeing up the entire amount for investment over the next 5 years. So if you are a low risk investor, options like the public provident fund PPF can be considered because it is a government backed fund with guaranteed returns and also has tax benefits. But if you're a high risk investor, you can explore equity based options such as equity linked saving scheme ELSS, which is also a tax saving tool in the equity section. So in this example, the available funds are going to be invested in ELSS funds. So that's how you're going to assume the strategy. So to generate regular cash withdrawals later, the accumulated ELSS corpus is transferred to an instrument offering a 7% annual return. This investment is structured to mimic the payout schedule of the POS policy. So at maturity, the ELSS fund has a pre-tax value of 13.81 lakhs and a post-tax value of 13.04 lakhs. The post-tax corpus is reinvested in an instrument yielding 7% return, generating regular withdrawal. So following a payout pattern similar to the POS policy, the final investment value grows to 12.25 lakhs. So the combined post-tax IRR for the strategy combining term insurance and ELSS investment is 9.01%. This comparison highlights that separate investment for life goal outperform traditional endowment plans in terms of return. Additionally, the returns from this alternative strategy are better equipped to combat inflation over the long term. Moreover, the POS policy offers rigid cash flow pattern with no flexibility to defer payout. So in contrast, this alternative investment approach allows you to customize withdrawal to suit your financial needs. So what is the final verdict on our analysis on POS Aviva Dhan Suraksha plan? Is it worth investing or not? This plan combines insurance coverage with savings or investment benefit. However, upon analysis, we found no standout feature compared to other plans. Like this plan is a straightforward endowment plan that offers guaranteed benefits in installments. However, the returns are subpar for a long-term investment and the sum assured is insufficient. That's why the combined insurance and investment components of the POS policy fails to deliver value, making it unsuitable for inclusion in your investment portfolio, and this policy also has a high agent commission. Instead, consider opting for a pure term life insurance policy which provides adequate coverage at affordable premium. To achieve life goals, invest separately in instruments aligned with your risk tolerance and time horizon. So avoid mixing insurance and investment.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.